Having difficulty picking the right kind of wood species? Watch this quick video to learn which kind of cabinetry is best for your project. Paint grade MDF is only for painting because you can't stain MDF due to its lack of grain. Nevertheless, MDF is a great option if you need a strong and durable cabinet. Plus, they look great with the paint finish. We offer doors made completely out of MDF and doors with solid wood frames with MDF panels. If you aren't interested in MDF but want to paint your cabinet doors, we also offer a maple paint grade option. This way, your door's frame and panel will be made out of solid wood. Many woods stain well, but alder is the most reasonable wood species that can be stained to look like more expensive materials such as cherry. Alder is a softer material than cherry. Additionally, alder soaks up paint and sealer well. Alder has a light color wood that will not show through even with light paint colors. Birch is a similar wood species to alder and can be a great choice for paint or stain. Maple is a great choice for clear coat but tends to become blotchy when applying a dark color finish. You cannot finish maple with a dark color without applying special sealers, which help you get an even finish. Oak has been a widely popular building material due to its strength and durability. For this reason, a lot of homeowners already have oak cabinetry in their homes. Oak is not the best option for paint. This is because oak species are valued for their grain pattern and tend to be a bit more expensive. And so it doesn't make much sense to cover them up with paint. Needing a wood style that's best for paint? We recommend alder, soft maple, or beech. Needing a wood style that's best for staining? We recommend red oak, hickory, pecan, or white oak. If you have any other questions or concerns, email us or give us a call. We are always happy to help. And be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips about all things cabinetry.